Hello everyone, welcome back to the FORnSEC Solution. Our today's video on STEGHIDE, a powerful tool that allows you to securely hide data within image. In today's digital age, protecting sensitive information is vital, and STEGHIDE provides an advanced technique to ensure your data remains safe and hidden from prying eyes. Join us in this video as we explore the functionalities of STEGHIDE. It is easy to use interface and ability to console your valuable information within image. Discover the power of STEGHIDE and strengthen your data security today. Get started. Benefits and features of STEGHIDE. STEGHIDE offers an user-friendly command line interface, making it easy to use for both beginners and advanced users alike. Its simple syntax allows you to quickly and effectively console your data within image. Let's see how to use STEGHIDE. Now let's walk through the process of using STEGHIDE to hide data within image. Let's move on to our Kali machine to install STEGHIDE. Here open our terminal and type sudo apt install STEGHIDE. Here our package has successfully downloaded. Select your image. Choose the digital image file in which you want to hide your data. Remember, STEGHIDE support multiple image formats, ensuring compatibility of your specific need. Embed your data with STEGHIDE command line interface. Use to appropriate command to embed your sensitive data within the select image. Be sure to set a strong password for added security. Let's write the command STEGHIDE embed hyphen -e for path of that text file space hyphen -cf for path of that particular image hyphen -cf for path of that particular image. We take that tom jpeg image and hit enter. Enter password, again re-enter password. That our text file is converted into jpg image. Let's execute command STEGHIDE extract -sf and file path, like we copy image from desktop and paste here. Enter, hit enter, enter password, yes, and here our text file has been converted. Open the text file. Here the text is Tom and Jerry. And there you have it. STEGHIDE provides seamless and secure solution for hiding your valuable data within digital image. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on STEGHIDE. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative contents on data security too. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them in comment below. Stay safe and stay secure.